Hey you guys, Lash Diva here, back like I never left with another makeup tutorial. Finally, don't even come over here with all of that. Don't even come over here with all of that, because I know I have not filmed a makeup tutorial in, what, 2 years? 3, maybe 4? I have not filmed a makeup tutorial in forever, you guys. It is so difficult for me to edit beauty videos, and I don't know why, but you guys, my skills in doing my own makeup are growing. The way that I use my tools, just my knowledge is growing, and I get so many questions, and I really just want to share that with you guys. So even though, like, I'm not a professional, I'm not like, you know, Jackie Aina yet, you'll see it. I'm not like, you know, I'm not there yet. There are a lot of people who are on the same makeup level that I am on, and people are not making YouTube videos for them. They're making YouTube videos for people who are like either very, very beginner and don't know, you know, how to apply the foundation at all, or they're making YouTube videos for people who are like makeup artists who already have the skill set to kind of like start off with those like cut creases and glitter and all that kind of stuff. I'm in between, and so I want makeup videos for somebody like me, so that's why I'm still trying to keep at it. So I wanted to show you guys my new like go-to full face, my go-to soft glam full face. Y'all know that's how I do it. I love a nude, neutral kind of nude matte glowy look. Y'all, I don't know. I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know. I'm rambling. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just let me know what you think, and let's get started.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in with the brows, and I'm using Ruby Kiss's Perfect Precision Liner in color dark brown. It's my go-to liner. It's 99 cents at the hair store. It's the only liner I will ever use. It's literally the best. So as you can see, I went ahead and filled in the tail end of my brow first, and then I kind of flip my wrist to do the front end so I can get those hair stroke like look. You guys, it just takes time and it just takes practice on your brows. Like, if you want good brows, you have to get in that mirror every single day. So the next step is to go on with our concealer, which is going to be in color Fawn, and it's our LA Girls Pro Conceal. And I'm using a smudge brush here to go and underline my eyebrows. The trick here is to not be shy with the concealer. You can blend it out later, but in order to get that crisp line, you have to use a lot. And so I'm going in with my color Chestnut to outline the top. We want to use a little bit of a darker color so that it blends a little bit better with our foundation. This color is so creamy. Okay, so first step, I'm going in with my first layer of foundation, which is listed below. All you need is 1 pump of the Superstay, and I'm kind of using this as a long-lasting base to my foundation. So we're just going to go in with our Real Techniques brush and blend it out. But as you can see in the next step, I'm going to add a second foundation, which is my L'Oreal, also listed below, on top to get the skin-like finish that I want. So the first foundation was for the staying power, and the second foundation is for the finish that I want. And you just want to blend that out using the same brush that you used before. We're going to go ahead with our under-eye concealer, Born This Way, which is color listed below. And we're going to take that right under the eyes and next to the nose. And then I'm going to use the same concealer that I used for my brows to kind of fill in the rest. I want the lighter concealer as close to the eyes as possible to get that bright look. But then I kind of want my cooler tone concealer at the bottom so that it blends out a little bit better. And the texture of the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer is unfreaking matched. It is amazing for everyday looks. We're going to go ahead and highlight our entire face, and we're going to use our beauty blender to go ahead and blend that out. I suggest bouncing back and forth between each eye like so that you can get it even, so that one side is not more blended or more
so you just
unblended. Blend that out. Take your time, bounce back and forth. Make sure that everything looks even, everything's layered smoothly. Do the same thing for the highlighter and the rest of your facial areas, the nose, bone, the forehead. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, all right, that's enough. But I just show you that it takes time to get it smooth and to get it even. Don't rush it. So now we're going to go in with our setting powder for the highlight. All you need is a little bit. Don't do too much. Don't do too much. Just take that in the areas that you apply the concealer and press it directly into that concealer so it sets really nice and smooth. Okay, so now we're going on with our contour, and you just want to snatch that onto the cheeks, around the forehead, and we're going to be using, and a little bit on the nose. I almost forgot. Before we blend it in, got to do the nose, but we are going to be using our Wet n Wild flat face brush to blend it up, to snatch it up. You don't snatch your face down, okay? Wrinkles go down, snatch goes up, so you blend that up towards the forehead and just pat it out and around. And then also, you don't want to forget about blending out that nose. Make sure you blend it good. We are over the super heavy nose contour. We're done with that. Nice, light, easy nose contour, please. So we're just going to go ahead and set our whole face with our black opal setting powder using our Real Techniques big face brush. You just want to set all of the liquids that you put on your face. And to base our eyelids, we use the same concealer that we use underneath our eyebrows. And we're just going to blend that in with our beauty blender so we have a nice base for our natural eyeshadow. So now we about to whip it and flip it in the kitchen. We about to bake. You guys, we're going to use our air spun, and you just want to press it in to the areas where you apply your concealer. So I am using a lighter color under the eyes, and I'm using my darker suntan color for the rest of my face because I want this to be an all day long lasting look. So I want to go ahead and bake my whole face. So next up, I'm using my favorite eyeshadow palette, one color from the AP Collection palette, to create a natural eye look, and it's kind of just like a warm brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and buff that into my crease area. And you don't want to concentrate too far on the crease. You do kind of want to bring it up a little bit and put a little bit underneath just to give your eyes a little something. Like a warm brown shadow can literally be your everyday look, especially if you're doing lashes. So we're going to go ahead and pop on our lashes. We're using our Lash Duo brush on adhesive in the color Clear. It's a super tight hold. I almost don't like this for every day because it's so tight. But I mean, it gets the job done. Your lashes are going to stay on, sis. So my lash has dried just a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and look in the mirror down a little bit and pop it on using my lash tweezer. Oh, that's up. It's okay. These are my 3D Mink lashes, 25mm style in Netflix and Fill. So they're super long and they're super natural. They're your Netflix and chill lashes when you want to, you know, look cute for a baby daddy, but you don't want to look like you're doing so much, you know. So just going ahead and getting that pinned down. While I wait for my other lash to dry, I am going to go ahead and debake. So I'm taking a blank blush brush and I'm wiping off the powder from underneath my eyes. And then I'm taking my black opal setting powder to debake my entire face. I use the setting powder to debake my face so that I won't look too chalky and I won't look too white and ghostly in pictures. You do want to use a colored powder if you're baking your entire face. Alright, so we're going in with a little bit of Ebon, the color listed below, for my nude lip for today. Always just a simple brown liner and a simple nude lipstick or a nude gloss for a soft glam look. Going in with a little bit of mascara. I literally don't care what kind of mascara I use, y'all. I will use like 52-cent mascara from the dollar store as long as it gets the job done. And while we pop on our other lash, God, I'm just like, girl, get it on your eye. Are you okay? You guys, I'm an avid lash wearer, and sometimes I still even have to struggle. So if you're a beginner lash wearer and you're struggling putting in your lashes, it's normal. You're doing just fine. So we're just going to top off our nude lip with a little bit of pink gloss. It really doesn't matter what kind of gloss. You could leave it matte nude if you want to, but today I just want a little glossy, so throw some on. Now we're going to warm up our face with this Face HD powder, which I'm going to write below. We're going to use another one of our Real Techniques brushes, our smaller brushes, and we're going to take that right into the cheek area. I like to call this area the 3 zone because it comes around your forehead to your cheek and then under your chin a little bit. We're going to use our AP Collection palette again for our blush, which is going to be a kind of dark rose. We're going to go ahead and take that just right on top of the cheekbones. You can never have too much blush. Make sure that you apply a lot because blush is usually the first thing that comes off. An AP Collection palette again with our highlight. We used that shimmery champagne color. The AP Collection palette, if you're a beginner, it has everything you need for a complete look. It's awesome. So I went ahead and highlighted my nose tip, my nose bone, my forehead. I'm going to go in under my eyebrows. I'm going to go in above my cupid's bow in just a second. And then I'm also going to go above my cheeks. It's up to you how much you do. But I like a lot of highlight. To me, that's what kind of makes your look go from natural to glam. And so I'm going to use a different brush, a blush brush from Real Techniques to kind of put that on top of my blush for a cheek highlight. Never too strong on the cheek highlight. We're over super strong cheek highlights. And you guys, this is it. This is the final look. It's kind of natural. It's kind of glam. Got a little lash. I mean, let me know what you think. You could definitely get away with this for every day, right?
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for hanging in there. I know that video, it probably was a little long. You know, some parts you probably was like, girl, what is you doing? But it turned out okay, right? Like, I can actually wear this out of the house and it looks pretty good. So, once again, thank you guys for watching. Please check out my blog, lashdeva.com, if you want any other beauty tips, fashion tips. You already know how we do it. Less dolls, less gang. I will be back soon, like I never left, with another, I don't know what. It could be a fashion review, it could be a wig review, it could be makeup, it could be by my baby daddy. You never know. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope y'all have a blessed day.